Hello everyone, Oscar from Jimi IoT. Our new JC261 is out now, and as an iteration of our best-seller JC400 series, you might be curious about the differences between the two. So in this video series, I will break it down for you. The driving force behind the JC261 is the market demand for dual-channel dashcams, which boast ADAS and DMS features. We have also taken your feedback from using the JC400 series to heart and made several improvements for better user experience. Compared to the JC400 series with 3 models, we simplified it to 2 models for the JC261 series. JC261P, similar to JC400P, boasts 2 built-in lenses in one housing for real-time monitoring of the road and interior, making installation a breeze. JC261 comes with only 1 built-in road-facing lens. If you need more angles, simply add an external camera. For specific needs like DMS functionality, go for JC170. To monitor the interior, explore our CI series cameras. For external views, the CE series waterproof cameras have got you covered. All JC261 series share the same firmware. Even activating DMS is a simple parameter switch via command, so no need to stock multiple models. It's all about choosing the right combo before shipping, and optimization from JC400 series. In terms of AI, all JC261 series support the basic ADAS features. The JC261 can even run both ADAS and DMS algorithms at the same time. The ADAS functionality is what we have added here. Our JC261 can detect 3 ADAS events, and it will emit audible alerts to warn drivers in real time. The combo of ADAS and DMS provides comprehensive protection for both your drivers and your vehicles. And we have also fine-tuned the firmware, allowing the customization of the language and alert content.
Relax.
We believe these changes may aid flexibility to match our products with your projects. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and thank you for being part of our Jimi IoT family.